Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino, and it's just a lovely Monday already, and the day just started. It's really the truth. Monday, January 28th, 2019. As I am doing this video blog, stocks are down across the board, reasonably hard on two things. Number one, and I spoke about this yesterday. In fact, I spoke about both of these things yesterday. Number one, earnings. Abysmal. So it appears that the companies that have reported, at least today, their forward guidance and their profit warnings just happen to be true. So it looks like the powers that be, the six banks that have been propping up this market, they're going to have their work cut out for them today. Number two, which is a big factor weighing on this market right now, is there's no China deal to be had as of yet, and it's being reported that it remains elusive. Again, you should not be surprised about this at all, and I am certain that you are not. All the rhetoric, all the nonsense, all the garbage, all the fake news that has been shoved down our throats about how close we were to a China deal, how things were looking really, really good. I mean, it's laughable. And why people are not in an uproar about it, I have no idea. I guess they're just completely blind or stupid. But that does not mean that during the day today, we're not going to see another fake story floated out there. But this is where we're going. Nowhere. Zero with regard to a China trade deal. And just understand, when you hear an individual, anybody, talking about how, oh, the U.S. doesn't need China, really? Let's see. We're in a global market. Our markets here in the United States are flooded with Chinese products, and we don't need China? Yeah, we do need China. So whoever's telling you that is grossly misinformed. So a real deal with China needs to happen. Period. And on top of that, our president needs a win. Well, again, you know how this is going to work with regard to China. However a deal ever gets worked out, it's going to be spun that both sides, just miraculously happen to win. You know that. So we'll see how that plays out. But the big thing here, again, China, huge. Earnings, no surprise here. We've heard profit warnings, forward guidance warnings, and this is a big week, like I explained to you yesterday. So we'll see how this plays out, or if the stock market just happens to make some miraculous turnaround, because again, it's the Trump Fed put, or it should be the Trump Mnuchin Fed put under this market, and the six banks that run the Fed are propping up this market. That's why Mnuchin met with them to, look, this is a game where nothing is real. You know that better than anybody else. So let's see here. Right now I think that the Dow is down about 330 points. Hey, maybe we'll finish up 500 points by the end of the day. You just never know. Seriously, we've never seen anything like this before, people. This goes so beyond the Obama market or any other market we've ever had. It's never been so rigged and twisted than it is here right now. And you know what that means. With the Fed in here, with the six banks in here propping up this market, with debts and deficits exploding off the freaking Richter scale, and they're not going to stop. All world central banks, including the Fed, are going to inflate and inflate and inflate like you can't believe. So bet against the debt, become your own central bank. It's kind of funny. People have been writing to me lately, hey Greg, how come you don't talk about the most undervalued asset in the world like other people are talking about? That was my line that I've spoken about for years. I'm the guy who started bet against the debt, become your own central bank. And I've also been the guy who's been explaining for years, before anybody, that silver was the most undervalued asset in the history of the world. I've been out here a long time. And all these other guys and girls, whoever they are, they're on my coattails when it comes to that. And it seems like they're all using my lines now. Well, that's fine. Let them do that. I guess I should be flattered. All right. With that said, keep an eye on all this, people. Let's see what kind of fakery they try to pull off today. Fake China stories, fake dog shit stories. To try to prop this market up. This market is on thin ice. I think we all know that. But again, we're probably going to see more miraculous turnarounds in this market with the Trump Mnuchin Fed put here, 6 banks propping up this market on no volume. You got to be kidding me. But this is where we are. This illusion is going to be kept real by any mechanism they can think about and dream about. We can sit here in awe of the absolute garbage that they are trying to fist feed us, show us. Oh, no, don't look here. Don't look here. I tell you, I guess you can tell I'm in kind of a mood today. Right. I'll see all of you at the end of the day.